Good morning, guys, and I'm currently in Dover. It's like 20 past 5 in the morning. I'm meeting the rest of the car club there, here, and then we're all going to convoy down together to BHP and get set up on the stand. All the work has now been done on my car and it's looking pretty sick, so let's hit some cinematics. Queuing up to get in now. I'm with the whole car club, they're all behind me. Queue goes on for days. Queuing for days, mates. Yes. Right, so we're all set up now. I've had breakfast finally, and yeah, it's all looking good. Let's go around and look at some cars.
We still here, one day at a time. When a man gets so high up and looks over the edge, what's he supposed to do other than jump? Yeah. I think I'm falling. 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 Lonely desires seem to keep me up, seem to keep me down. Late night up in my bed, feeling like I've drowned. Underwater I breathe, underwater I swim, suffocating, no air. The devil's closing in, but still I don't really care. Never gave a fuck about no bitches along the way. I just lock myself alone, practice writing and just pray. But still I never had that real love in the movies with the flashbacks. Everyone wanna talk, just clap back. I'ma spit it like this, like Rat Pack. Rap fast for the motherfucking fat ass. I'ma show you how I do it with my backpack. I'm going to school just to get my degree. Outsmart you fools and I'm only getting C's. I just wanna get paid, yeah. I just wanna get mad, yeah. I just wanna get paid, yeah. I just wanna get made, yeah. Oh God, yeah. Oh God, yeah. Oh God, yeah. Oh God, yeah. I think I'm falling. 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 I think I'm falling.
We must pick ourselves up when we fall, or else we'll never get up.
Help me, help me,
Ever.
help me. Late night in my room and I'm still thinking, why my friends out and I'm home missing. It's been a little while, think I'm back to drinking. They just wanna know why you ain't living. Hit my phone asking like, what you doing? I said leave me alone, I'm busy making music. Boy, we know you scared, quit all the bullshit. I told him gotta go, stop being stupid. Why am I like this guy? 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 Why am I like this? 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 civilization to a deep quest. Stop now.
Right, thank you for watching today's video. I do apologise that it'll probably be quite short, and that I didn't really film much. I was basically like just hanging out, chilling out with friends and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, there wasn't really much else to see other than the cars that I've showed you and all that kind of stuff. There was a bit of track time and like people going around the track and stuff like that. But it was absolutely packed and I couldn't actually get to a decent spot to film. Otherwise I would have filmed some of that. But yeah, other than that, that was basically all there was. It was a really good day. I'm now absolutely knackered, and as you can probably see, I'm sunburnt to hell. My neck is the worst. That actually really stings. But yeah. So yeah, I'm sorry if this will probably be quite short, or there's not a lot of content rather. But as I said, I was chilling out with friends and you know, having a good time, all that kind of stuff. I filmed the majority of the cars that were there. There was loads, but they was like some of the best ones, shall I say. So yeah, I hope, as I said, I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So, peace.